everyone. Welcome to Mentors for IAS. This is a very unique initiative in the field of UPSC Civil Service Examination. We are going to do the handholding for all pattern or all stages of this examination, be prelims, mains or interview. We are going to deal with many strategies, content, evaluation, feedback. So many things are involved in this program. So as part of that, we are conducting the mains mentorship program that is meant for this year, that is for 2024. So we are going to give tests, we are going to evaluate, we are going to mentor, we are going to teach you few important things, and definitely the unusual things which definitely a normal aspirant wouldn't have thought of. As part of that, we are conducting certain sessions on essay, very important nuances of essay we are trying to deal with. As part of that, I am dealing with the importance of the thesis statement. So this is a very, a new thing for the people who are associated with the normal essay writing. Over the period of time, I would say over last 10 years, this thesis statement has taken a center stage in our essay writing. Otherwise, in the older answer papers, we never used to see these things. But when I checked some of the very important or like very famous essays from the Harvard, Oxford, all that thing, they have the practice of thesis statement. So what exactly is this thesis statement? Where exactly it has to come in our essay? So in the previous video, I told you how we have to write the introduction, how the introduction has to be. So introduction, like it has to be light at making the note of the topic, or basically it is making the evaluator's job very easy to understand what exactly the aspirant is going to write. So that is what is the introduction. So the very second paragraph of our essay is to be thesis statement. So what is a thesis statement? So basically, it is a thematic direction. This is a thematic direction for our essay. Let's say we enter a building. It has many floors. It has many shops. But as we enter the building, there will be a chart or there will be a map which will be showing what is there in the third floor, what is there in the second floor, what is there in the first floor, like that, which shop is where. So this is how we are going to educate the evaluator about our essay, where exactly what we are writing. That means you are not writing the details about every paragraph there. And it should not be like, again, social, political, economical, all that thing, past, present, future. You are not going to write these things. Though you are writing these things indirectly, but you are not going to tell about the like these mundane things to the evaluator. So basically, when you brainstorm, firstly, I have told you about brainstorm. You collect the points, you filter out the unimportant things, and you will select 8 to 10 ideas. So about these 8 to 10 ideas, you are going to make few categories. Maybe the first part, second part, and the third part. Again, all these things will happen in your mind. So when you collect 8 to 10 ideas, why you are selecting the first and the second. So here you are going to make a category. For example, this is about women empowerment. If the topic is about women empowerment, so in your ideas, maybe you have written about the historical aspects of the women, and you have told about the health and education, how deciding are these for the emancipation of women. Then at the end, you are telling about how the revolutions have happened and what is the future of it. So in your thesis statement, what you are going to write is, this essay entails, or this essay describes, or this essay tries to tell you about the historical background of the women's status in the society, then how the health and education matter their upliftment, then what is the condition of the women right now, and how many revolutions have happened, and what is going to be the future course. If you tell all these things within 4 to 5 lines, so that is what is the thematic direction or the thesis statement. And it has to be succinct. That is, like, it has to be very concise within 4 or 5 lines, I'm telling. And it is not a summary of your entire essay. It is not a summary, definitely. So summary you are not going to write anywhere. Even in your conclusion, you are not going to write summary. Conclusion is a different thing altogether when it comes to the part of the essay. So basically, this is giving a torchlight. So this is showing where exactly is what. So in the first part, what you have covered, in the second part, what you have covered, or in the third part, or what is the order of your coverage, that is what you are going to tell. And basically, it is the gist of your flow, how your essay has flown. And it is human nature that whatever that you write, you may not implement that to the 100% in your paper. That's all right. That's understood also. Even the evaluator will understand that you cannot be that ideal, like writer. So here and there, around 10-20% error, that's all fine. Even if there is some disturbance in the flow, that's all okay. But writing this thesis statement tries to solve that problem, because it will help the evaluator to understand that, yes, this fellow has a plan. This fellow has a proper route of dealing with this essay. And finally, he has put it on the paper. So this is going to make the evaluator's job very easy. So like this, we are going to deal with many nuances of the essay, answer writing, be it ethics case studies in our mains mentorship program. So kindly avail the benefit of this program. So this is for this year's, that is 2024's mains examination. So stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.